Let us look into this challenge, which is from HackerRank. No, in the Java data structure. This is about the map. So you are given a phone book that has people's name and their number, and then you have some queries with the person's name. And for each of the query, you have to print the phone number. So this is a challenge on map. And here there are n is the number of elements in the phone book, and query is the number of queries. Both can be between 1 and there's 100,000. So if you have no such range, then integer is sufficient. Yeah, this is no. There's already a code provided. Being inputs. One is they have provided one sample input. Here you see 3 is the number of people, and there is no person called Uncle Sam. His number is given in the next line, and then Tom, his number is in the next line. Harry, his number in the next line. So they have provided code to read. They've defined an input scanner, then they read n into an integer. Then from the next line onwards, they start reading name and phone, and then they start reading this string, which is the name of person to be queried, and we need to return the phone number for that particular person. If phone number is available, we have to display it like Uncle Sam equal to this one. Otherwise, we have to say not found. So this is about the challenge, and let's try to solve this. And yeah, to solve this, what I'll do is I'll create a map, and then we will query this map to get the values. The map has two integers. So okay, they have read string is in. So name is a string and phone is integer. So we need to use a map with string and integer. We call it descriptive name like phone book, and then we say new phone, new map, and now we do not have to mention what's that type of key and value. Key is a string and value is integer, and this is defining our map, and we can use. Okay, so now once you have the name and phone, what you can do is in the phone book we insert the elements. So name and value. Value is phone. Then once you do that, you start. Once you have read all return the name, return the phone number and name of that particular person. So here we can use this phone book dot get and get with the string s, and this will return the name, the phone number, which will be integer. Okay, so here we can say int. This is phone again, and then we print this in a new line. In the format, you have s, and then you have an equal to sign, and then you have the value, which is the phone. So this is all about the solution. Let's see, is compiling successfully. Okay, add is not a method. I think, yeah. So in the map, you have insert. Let's see, phone book not dot insert cannot find symbol. So let's look into the map interface here in Java. So map is defined within java.util, and I will just put map here. So how to insert an element, and you have entry set get put. So this method is called put, and we have a get. Okay, hope this time it should compile successfully. It's processing, and I see there's a null pointer exception. Okay, so now we have to handle the situation now when record is not found. So here you see we were able to run it for when the values were there, And if there's no record, to get or default is some method which we can use. So in case the name is present, otherwise we have to say okay. So phone and if get if the particular value is present, then so we have to first find out whether the key exists. So in the map, and then depending on there is a key. Okay, so here entry set contains key could be used, and before we say phone book dot contains key s, and there's two possibility. If it is true, we query for phone number. If this is true, else we we query for phone number, and then we display this phone number as well in the format specified. If the key is not there, then you just simply say not found. So this way, where we are trying to kind of read the value, display the value. So not found. Here we have Uncle Sam not found, and okay, this found should be small. That's the only thing. And let me run again. This time our test case should be successful. Yes. Now we get the required result. Now next thing is let's run this, commit it, and run it into more test cases which have to be passed so that the solution could be accepted. And now we are executing all these test cases. So this is a good problem to have. The pass for all the test cases, and our solution is accepted, and all about our map problem of HackerRank. Thank you.